Welcome to the English grammar class. Today I am going to discuss chapter number 2, articles. Okay, so before going to start this, to learn this, I am going to tell you an example. I am going to give an example about articles. Suppose your mom is interested to send you for shopping. As you know that you are old enough to go for shopping, so they have a list like you have to buy a pen, an eraser, an egg, or tube of toothpaste. Okay, so a pen means what? Which means you can buy any pen or any color of one pen, one only pen you have to buy. A pen means one pen, but any color or any pen you buy from the shop. Then second number is an eraser, which means you can buy any eraser of any shape or any brand. Okay, then number 3, an egg, which means you can pick any egg. Then fourth number, a tube of toothpaste. So which means you can pick any brand of toothpaste from the shop. So here a means one and an means also only one. So a and an used to the singular nouns. They point to a general things. Okay, a or an pointing to a general things. Okay, so that a or an is called indefinite articles. Both of them are indefinite articles. A also indefinite articles and article, and an also indefinite articles. So suppose you want to shop for an apple, a pen, an egg, a tube of toothpaste, an inkpot, a book, an orange, a handkerchief, an umbrella, and a pencil. So did you notice the difference in the use of a or an? A is used before words with a consonant. Okay, remember that a is used before words with a consonant. Okay, as you know that there is 26 letters in English. Okay, so from that 5 letters are vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and rest all 21 letters are consonants. So all the consonants, okay, before the consonants you have to use a. But that should be singular countable nouns. Okay, that a is used before singular countable nouns. Okay, a is also used before some vowels. Okay, vowels yet have consonant sound. Why? Just like a utensil, a union, a university, and a 1 rupee coin. So here you have to remember that these are some words which begins with vowel. Okay, these are the words which begin with vowel yet have a consonant sound. Utensil. So that these are started with a. Okay. Then an. Let's go for the an. An is used before words with a vowel. An is used before singular countable nouns. Okay, an eraser, an umbrella, an igloo, an ant, and octopus. Remember, there are some words which begins with a consonant. Okay, some of the words are there which begins with consonant yet have a vowel sound. An is also used before them. What are they? Number 1 is an honest man and an hare. So honest also consonant sound, but consonant letter is there, H is there, but the sound is vowel sound. So if it is sounding like vowel also, before that you have to put an. So students, these are the exercises. which I have wrote already. So this is first exercise. A uniform, European custom, an hourglass, then an inverter, an elevator, then a time traveler, an important letter, an enormous pumpkin, a dangerous situation, an interesting story. This is first one, and this is second one, and this is third one. This is the third one. Okay, let's discuss about definite articles. An article, that is the. Okay, so the definite article the has been used here. The is used to refer to both singular and plural nouns. So a and n used before singular nouns only, singular countable nouns, but the has been used for singular nouns as well as in plural nouns. So here are some areas where the definite articles the is used. To refer to a noun that has already been talked about before. A bird is sitting on the tree. The bird is green in color. So here the bird means it is referring a particular bird. So it is the is a definite article. Okay. So the is using before a particular person's name, a particular place's name, particular book's name, particular country's name. Okay, particular mountain's name, particular breeze name. So before a particular name, okay, before particular special name, you can use the. Okay, so like I'm giving some example like the Red Fort in Delhi, then the Kingdom of Nepal, then the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, then the Yamuna, okay, the Indus Mountains. So these are the words which is used the before the words. Okay, the is used before these words. So these are the exercises. Number 1, here is an advertisement about a shampoo. Fill in the blanks with the definite or indefinite articles to complete it. Try to make a jingle with this. So this is the answer I have written already. Hey kids, a bubbly doubly shampoo is right there, and mind you it is mild and causes to no tear. So already the answer is here. So number 2, rewrite the following sentence using the suitable option given in the bracket. So this you have to do, and if you have any doubt then you ask me through the comment box. Okay, if you have any doubt then ask me. Write in the comment box and ask me whatever the doubts you have.